Hey, what's up, everybody? Gonna run this raffle real quick for my Nolan Ryan fifth no hitter. 12 spots. Current time is 11:02 West Coast. Going live. So we'll make our list. Gotta be over 5. 12 spots. Roll the dice. Gotta be over 5. Or roll again. 5. Roll again. 7 times. We're gonna go 7 times on this. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was 6 times. Dash was a 7. Next click's the winner. Good luck, everybody. 7. Number 1 spot. Matt D. Congratulations. Send me address and I'll get that shipped out to you. That was 7 times. Dash was a 7. Current time is 11:04 West Coast. And we are done.